Welcome, my friends, to a very special episode of Broke vs. Pro. As you can see, our fine sponsor Micro Center is currently undergoing a massive amount of construction, so much so that I've got myself lost in the store twice already this morning. But we have a simple challenge. Today, I am going to be building a gaming laptop setup to go head-to-head with none other than Mr. Ken Bolito's gaming desktop. Wait till you see the end of this video what I've got planned. All right, I've already scouted it out. I know exactly where I'm going.
All right, show me.
I am feeling confident because after the last couple of times where there were some shenanigans when it came to the judging.
I'm giving this one to Austin.
Yes! Broke vs. Pro champion of the world!
Act like you've been there before. I'm giving this one to Ken now.
I have a foolproof plan thanks to our kind sponsors at Micro Center. The Micro Center Platinum Collection. Ken, do you know what the Micro Center Platinum Collection is? My secret weapon. Ryzen 5 5800H, we've got 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gig SSD, and a 3050 Ti with 144 Hz display.
You mean to tell me that he's just getting a laptop? Really? For Broke vs. Pro? You have to shop through Micro Center like that from now on. And now it is my turn. Austin might have the Micro Center Platinum Collection, but I might have something up my sleeve. Maybe this is the episode where I actually try to up you in value at least a little bit. Price to performance?
Ooh.
Maybe? Maybe?
I would recommend a Core i9. This is an excellent price to performance.
You know what?
100% ROI on that.
I'm going to start my build with a Ryzen 5 5600X.
Wow, so revolutionary, Ken. No one's ever used a Ryzen 5 in a build before. So what Ken doesn't realize right now is that there is a very affordably priced 11th gen Core i5 11400, which...
11400, really? Cool, let's go.
Oh, no, what are you doing? No!
I don't know if Austin knows how sound works, but he just went to the next aisle and started spewing out some secrets that he probably shouldn't have told me. It's kind of crazy that he chills Micro Center to the point where he actually just helps the competition, but a W is a W. Or, well, I hope it's a W. That's a whole $100 cheaper. And save $20 with an eligible motherboard.
Motherboards, you say? I happen to see a few. Why am I helping you?
Look, the Micro Center shill will always shill inside the store too. You're gonna give me the best deal because that's your job. Austin keeps going on and on and on about this Micro Center Platinum Collection with its awesome line of laptops. So I'm gonna make my own. Make my own collection. The Ken collection. B4, that's a really cheap board.
That seems like a perfectly reasonable choice.
$109 is in my strike zone.
Actually, that's for MSI, that might be, yeah.
I think the Ken collection needs a little bit of brand consistency. And it just so happens that Micro Center has MSI cases as well. So if I have an MSI board, I might as well get an MSI case. What else does MSI sell?
Power supplies?
Look at you.
I can't help myself in being helpful.
650 watts should probably do me good, right? The Ken collection endorses Mystic Light, the best RGB solution for your PC, bar none.
The Ken collection seems like you just saw the MSI badge and just bought everything and then you're like, cool, I'm done.
Look, the Ken collection is very different from the collection that Ken actually wants. The Ken collection is things that everyone can afford, and the thing that Ken wants is just what's the most expensive thing? Sort list of products by most expensive.
This branding makes no sense.
I'll figure it out in post.
Josh is just gonna go select all and delete your entire section.
Probably will, actually. This is probably gonna be like 2 seconds.
It should be 2 seconds.
Josh is probably gonna cut me mid-sentence. All right, so I have the Ken collection of PC goodies. Oh, this doesn't count in the budget, but I bought us.
Wait, what? Go ahead.
I bought us a label maker for the office.
Wait. This doesn't count towards your budget. What do you need a label maker for? Oh God, do I need to ask? Are you making Ken collection stickers?
Actually, yeah, that's, yeah. I mean, what else would
How much was the label maker? This goes against your budget. Whoa. What does that sticker say?
$49.99.
You just scratched off the $100 mark. Look, Micro Center has great deals, but they're not that great.
Are you gonna tell them that, or is that gonna make it in the video, Austin?
That Micro Center has excellent deals, but not $100 off?
I heard Micro Center's not that great, is what I heard from.
Whoa. Selective hearing, friend.
That is very vertical.
That is very vertical. This is that's a weird shape, but that actually is pretty cool.
I don't hate it.
Yeah.
I
I hate it. It's terrible. It's not as good as my laptop.
You haven't even opened your laptop yet. Let's see, what should I start with? The motherboard, because why not?
Because you watched our 2021 gaming PC build tutorial.
No, I'm not Judner.
Whoa! Wow. Have you ever seen a motherboard before? So this is where you put your CPU.
No, Austin, I've seen a motherboard before. This is really odd, though.
Hey, Ken.
Yeah.
There's one very key difference between Intel and AMD processors. Do you know what it is?
Oh, you have to shave off the pins.
Jared approves of this. Ken, you spend too much time on TikTok. Ah, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What? What? I'm doing right.
That seemed awfully aggressive, my friend. Are you
it's
sure
fine.
that's safe?
It's
I don't know.
Arrow. It's right there. So just put this down, right? And then boom, and then this thing will pop off, right? That's very tight. Wow.
Wow.
Maybe I did that wrong. Or right. We'll find
So
out.
much confidence, man.
Next thing, I gotta install the power supply, and then do all
knock.
my cable.
The secret weapon is here, friends. This is exactly what I need to complete my ultimate gaming setup. If you recall, there was an episode of Broke vs. Pro last year where Ken built his setup in a box. Well, today, I've got a better box. I may or may not be recycling this from my setup last time on Broke vs. Pro. I'm gonna use it as an F1 cockpit.
Wait, that was from my setup.
No, I used it last time. This is what I built my setup on last time.
But it was from my monitor.
So I'm gonna start painting.
Oh, we're gonna be here all day. Oh my god, you're not even masking anything.
What's there to
Dude,
mask?
you just put paint on the edge, dude.
Welcome, my friends, to the judging day of Broke vs. Pro, aka the day that Austin redeems himself from the tragedy that was the last episode.
Are you proud of this paint job?
Absolutely. It's the best paint job I've ever had. Whoa, no, okay. Look, I was trying to be environmentally friendly and only use the amount of paint that I needed to, so we're just gonna put this right back here.
You know, I understand the whole painting one side because you're lazy, but I'm getting confused. If you're going for the whole Formula One NASCAR theme, I see you have one number on this side, which is your actual number for the race, right?
Yeah.
There's a completely different number over here.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I didn't do that one.
Well, that's my point. So now we're confusing the judges, the fans.
When it was shipped here, someone wrote
Right,
606 on
but
it.
so if I'm rooting for my favorite race car driver, am I rooting for 606 or am I rooting for 3303?
The fans are gonna have an identity crisis. You can't have that.
33303. One of the other things that's kind of bugging me is that this has wings. So this is more of a flight sim.
But usually,
if you had rotated this.
Oh, no, careful.
We'll just before we drop everything on you.
Oh.
I feel like that right there.
But that doesn't count though because you helped him.
What laptop do we have here?
So this is the Asus TUF A15 from the Platinum Collection. Our fine sponsors at Micro Center have graciously provided the world with a high-quality laptop for your gaming pleasure.
No, I actually do really like this. It's gamery, but it's toned down. I don't like it when it's like in-your-face gamery. This looks really good.
All right, so we have the Ken collection of fine PC parts and accessories.
So this is.
Are you okay, dude?
I get what you were going with here, but I am gonna dock you points
Why?
because this looks ugly.
What
are you talking about?
This is not aesthetic. Here and here and here.
It's
What?
And on the bottom of the keyboard.
Yeah.
all right. I do like the inside. It's nice and minimal. It's not.
thank you.
I like the subtle blue. Again, I'm not a huge fan of rainbow RGB. I know that's unpopular. Hey, I'm the judge. You're not. So I can't help but notice that you somehow managed to get the fan header cable stuck in front of your P2.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Ooh, what's that?
So.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we'll just
No. We have to let that stay there for when we get in B-roll.
I did not see that at all.
Time out. Judge, can I just point to something?
Yeah. What do we got?
Look at the orientation of those two fans on the AAO and how one is push and one is pull.
What? Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, wait.
I'm no PC expert. That seems
I
suboptimal.
was in a little bit of a rush and I realized that was.
What we're gonna do is you two are gonna game.
Yeah.
Yep.
Then we're gonna take your Cinebench scores, your 3D Mark scores, and then I'm gonna judge you on the aesthetic and creativity.
Best of luck. Best of luck. Best of luck.
Look, I'm just out here, like, if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. We all know where this is gonna go. I mean, the graphics card, we know where it's gonna go, but I know where the rest of the PC is gonna go. And so, either way, I feel like I won. Are you okay?
Yep, I'm fine. I'm just preparing the winning system. Whoa, okay.
Deathmatch.
Ooh, look at that, sweet 170 frames per second.
200 and something.
Wow, the screen is high quality. All right, I gotta just be nice and calm here. Nice, calm, and collected.
All right, let's go. Oh, come on, yes. Oh God, there's another one.
Oh, what the hell? What the hell?
Oh. Well, I mean, at least I'm on second on the board, so I mean, we're good. Oh, let's go. Okay.
I'm 3 and 4 right now.
Shots coming back. Okay, we're good. What's great is that I think my MMR is still like higher than Austin's, so I'm like,
Ow!
oh, that just shot Austin. Hell yeah. And as per usual, I shot him in the back. It's the only way to do it. Let's go. Yo, I'm wrecking right now. Oh, get. All right. Well, that was a good streak, though. I'll take it.
I will say my arm positioning for the mouse and keyboard not great. I'm a little high for first-person shooters. That's fine.
I can say that I'm very ergonomic here, even though I'm sitting on a bar stool. My back definitely isn't happy right now, but okay.
I'm just dying a lot.
What the? Okay, back to Phantom. Okay. Well, we're all doing bad, but Austin's doing worse, and that's all that matters.
How the? Bro, we got to do this again.
Oh!
Is that you? Was that you?
That
I
was
got
me.
you. I
He
got
killed
Ken.
me. He killed me.
I got Ken.
He killed
I got
me.
Ken.
He killed me. Oh no! Oh, I lost. Well, I won against Austin, but I lost the match.
I lost everything.
I got 36 kills.
Oh look, the game's over. I can't see how many kills I got. It was like almost 36, I think.
Well, how much was it? Because it does tell you at the end.
10.
So I'm 3 times better than Austin.
So, with how bad you just got beat, I'm gonna go ahead and say you need to beat Ken
Yep.
by a minimum of 3 seconds in
Okay.
F1.
Okay, so Ken's gotten off to a lead, and he's blown the apex by a mile.
Oh my God, I can't.
Oh, I'm stalking him right now. I'm just sizing him up, waiting for him to miss another apex like that. Okay, you are leaving me behind a little bit right now.
Yeah, I know, because now that I have my bearings and and know what's going on, I'm driving better.
This is very bad. Oh God, oh God. I spun at 20 miles an hour. Oh yeah, thanks Jared. Yes, this feels very accurate. Full send, boys! I just pulled a half a second on you. I'm catching back up. All right, it's the last lap. I'm still only a second behind you right now, but I need you to make a mistake.
Dude, you're like 1.2. What are you talking about? Oh, this is not a good line.
No! No!
Yellow flag! Let's go, yellow flag, boys! Let's go!
Okay, fine. I'll give you the gaming section. I'll concede that. But price to performance, creativity, I might still have a shot here.
So, we have our results in. You got destroyed in the gaming section.
Yes.
I don't feel like we need to spend a whole lot of time talking about how you got destroyed in the
Nope.
gaming section.
We're good.
Ken, you destroyed Austin in the gaming section. We really
Yes.
don't need to go into too much detail.
I agree.
About
I
how
definitely
badly-
destroyed him
yeah.
in the gaming section. Yeah.
So, next up we have price to performance. So the formula that we use for price to performance is we take the GPU scores, we take the CPU scores, we add them together, we divide them by the cost of the systems. Austin, you had a total of 18,728. Ken, you had a total of 18,366. And because yours was a cheaper overall system at $1,112, you have a score of 16.8.
Wait, how much was my build?
Ken, your build was a total of $1,483.
Oh, just- Wow.
So your score was 12.3. This was very close, but
okay.
the point goes to Austin on this one.
I'll give that to him.
So
Yeah.
we have aesthetics. You know, I love laptops, everything like that. Look, I gotta be real, Ken. I'm sorry.
What?
But if Austin had done this from the beginning instead of having me fix his crappy setup, I would have given him the point. But because he didn't, I'm giving you the point.
Yeah, let's go.
What? Wait. What?
Yeah, because he made yours better with the.
This looks great.
Matt's addition looked really good.
If you had done this from the beginning, I would have given you the point.
So I only lost because this was rotated in a slightly different orientation?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's all about creativity, and you didn't have the creativity to rotate at 90 degrees.
Yeah.
But his fans are upside down.
It doesn't
But
matter.
I can't see that,
It's true.
and I don't know shit about fans.
You know, at this point, I should have won 3 Broke versus Pros in a row, and each one of them keeps getting stolen away from me. It's
know
almost
where
as if
you-
there's collusion. I felt good about this one. I thought I was gonna win. How could I lose with the power of my Micro Center mouse pad? Like, this is all I really needed. This is humiliating.
Now it's approved.
Well, if you feel like you should have just put it.
Yeah, just
Because Ken made you his bitch today.
Whoa, Matt! Wait. I didn't.
Thank you very much for watching this episode of Broke vs. Pro. If you'll excuse me, well, you know where to find me. I'll just be here. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Broke vs. Pro. Make sure to check out our fine sponsor, Micro Center. The link's in the description, where they sell many things that are not the Ken Collection. Speaking of our fine sponsors at Micro Center, they have a truly incredible deal going on right now. For new customers only, if you sign up at the link in the description, you can get yourself a free 240 gigabyte SSD. Yes, friends, you heard that right. A free 240 gigabyte SSD. What are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling button for the next time that Ken destroys me and Matt cheats and I build something else which is questionably
You would
named.
have thought by now he would have picked a different judge.